Do you ever feel like how much ever rest you can get, you are still tired? Or that your to-do list is constantly staring at you like a monster, but your body doesn't want to move? We live in a society that glorifies productivity, that rewards speed and shames stillness. So when your body slows down or freezes, you call it laziness. But what if I told you it's not laziness? It's protection. Your body is trying to protect you. In this video, you'll understand the real reason behind your freeze state and 4 ways to shift from stuck to easy motion without pushing. Hi, my name is Parinitaa Garg. I'm an emotional mastery, emotional intelligence mentor, and a nervous system guide. And I help you to remember who you truly are and how calm, clarity, and confidence are not the things that you have to keep on chasing, but the things that you can come home to. So the first step is you recognize the freeze state. You're not lazy. You are in functional freeze where your body feels tired, but your mind is constantly racing with guilt. Your mind is going ahead of your body constantly. And when you notice these cues, like you are not breathing fully, you have shallow breath, you are zoning out, you have tension in your jaws or even your hips, or you're constantly on your phone, you're doom scrolling. That is recognizing that you are in freeze state. Your body is in freeze state while your mind is racing. Step two, how do you anchor or how do you ground your body? So don't start with forcing movement. Okay, you start very, very small. You try to splash some cold water on your face, or even better, if you can, go take a cold water shower. Okay, so second thing is you can sigh out loud. You can breathe in through your nose and you can sigh it out. And repeat. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. And if you observe, just with 3 breaths, just with 3 to 5 breaths, you can become much more calmer. Another thing is you can just sway your hips side to side, or you can just sway yourself side to side. You can start with the neck. I always start with the neck because for me, the neck is always tight. But you can start with the neck, then you can start with your shoulders, rib cage, then you can start with your body. You can start moving your entire body side to side, okay? You can just do this. What we are trying to tell our nervous system is that it's all right to feel because your nervous system has numbed itself. You are in the numbing state. When you are doom scrolling, when you are constantly eating, you are in the numbing state. We are trying to get our nervous system to feel. We are trying to get our body to feel. If that resonated with you, leave a comment below. Step number 3 is including some micro choices or practicing some micro choices. Now, what are these micro choices? When you think about that, I have to finish everything, ask yourself, what is one simple thing that I can do right now? One simple thing. It could just be getting up and getting a glass of water. It could just be taking off one small thing on your checklist. Nothing major, just one small, simple step. It could just be moving from the sofa on the floor and moving, taking 5 steps. It could just be that much. Taking small, simple, micro choices. Okay, just start with that. Step number 4 is when you rewrite the label. Instead of saying, I am lazy, you say to yourself that I am not lazy. I'm learning to listen to my body. I am not lazy. I'm learning to listen to my body. And every time that guilt comes back, place your hand on your heart and say that my pace is sacred, not my peace. My pace is sacred. My pace is sacred. Thank you so much for doing these 4 steps with me. And if these called out to you, or if you felt that there is something in these steps, then I wanted to share this video with one more person who needs to hear that they are not broken. And if you want to go deeper into these practices, then I'm running a 14-day challenge called 100x Calm Journey. And if you're interested in knowing more about this, I will leave a WhatsApp group link to join in, wherein if you join in, you will get more information on it as to how you can join in this 100x Calm Journey. What I want you to remember is that you're not alone in this journey and that you were never behind. The mantra that you can take for today is that I don't chase momentum anymore. I don't chase momentum anymore. I meet my rhythm, and that's enough. I don't chase momentum anymore. I meet my rhythm, and that's enough. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste, and I will see you in the next one.